Alright, since everybody's wanting to know how to do this boat filter Titanic thing of this boat going out of nowhere, here's how you do it. You gotta find it through one of the filters, effects, or whatever through TikTok. So you just pick one. Doesn't really matter. I'll just go to this one because it's pretty neutral. Go to the bottom left where it says CapCut, free video editing. You click on that, but you got to make sure that that app is up to date. If it's not up to date, then you're not going to get this filter, or template as they're called. You click on that, and then it comes to this. Then you just follow the directions on the bottom. You tap on that, and then it goes to this. Then you hit the bottom right, use template. I'm using Trent Reznor for mine. Then you just hit preview, and then you have that there. Then you go ahead and hit export. Then you save and share with TikTok. Go over to sound so you can select whatever sound you want. Get rid of the original sound. Take the original sound off. And then you just select what you want. And then you go up and then you move it up there to wherever you want. And that's all there is to it. Pretty simple.